Great, so now let's talk about the screencast or screen recording in Weezly. So what that is basically a screen recording where you can go on someone's website, you can record a demo presentation, and then you can take this video and send it to a potential client or someone. And the first thing you need to do is have the Weezly Chrome extension installed, and then what you can do is once you have pinned your Chrome extension, click on the Weezly icon here and start recording. And now Weezly will come open up. Hi there. Cool. So a few things here. What we have is if you click on the cog icon here, we have multiple settings where you can manage the camera, you can manage the sound, if it's going to be full screen, and the countdown also once you hit the record button. And the other option that we have here is as well that you can change the sizes of these cam bubbles. You can change the shape, if it's a square, rectangular, if it's a round, etc. And you can also flip the camera if you want to. So I really like these different shapes. And now once you're satisfied, just hit record button, and then you can select if it's full screen, tab, etc., and just hit share. And now the countdown will start, and what you can do is start talking. Hi there, I'm currently on your website. I really like what you're saying, so check this out and let's book a meeting. Bye-bye. And just hit stop. And now this video will be uploaded to Weezly, and what you can do then is simply then hit the preview to see this video, how it looks like. There it is. So now it's recording this video there, which I can then send to someone. And we have a few more options here. The first one is that we can copy the link to this video and we can then share it, or we can add a meeting page. And then if we do that, that means that we will be able to record this video and add one of these booking pages which we talked about previously, so people can actually book a meeting with us. And then simply, if you want to change the name of this, you can just do it here. So for example, hey there, hit enter. And if I refresh the page, it's going to look like this. And if I want to send this video to someone, I can just copy this link, or I can copy this and pass this in the email. So if I go to my email and I just simply hit compose, there we go. And then if I pass this in, then it's going to be sent as a gift to the customer. Cool. That's it, and we will talk more in depth about screencast and screen recording in other tutorials. Thank you very much for listening, and good luck recording. Bye-bye.